My name is Chase Conrad, part of Fishers Electric, and this is my circuit. It consists of 2 3-ways and 2 4-ways. How it works is a hot would come through here, and it would roll through these travelers, and it would basically bounce from here, 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 here to here. And what it does is another version of 2 3-ways and a 4-way circuit. What it does is it can apply electric to a light or a switch, and it'll be cheaper in the market because it's made with less material, it's recycled material, and it's energy proficient.
So this is my design. First off, this is the hot wire that goes to here. These are the commons that travel from the 3-way to the 4-way, and to this 3-way to another. And you get the neutral, and these represent whenever you turn the switch on and off, they switch.
My name's Brock. Here's your hot. You got 1 3-way, 2 4-ways, and another 3-way. And it's gonna power a motor, and you've got 4 different switches that could all shut it off. It's basically just a safety hazard. Having just one switch, whenever you have something go wrong, having multiple switches could turn it off. That would help keep people safer.
Alright, I'm here with Gunner and I'm D'Artagnan, and we're here with Pfister Company Incorporated, and my friend here is going to tell you all about this product we have right here.
Right here we have 3-way, 4-way, 4-way, 3-way. These switches will turn on that motor. 3-way will hook the hot up here, and these are the travelers, which go to the 4-way. Other side of the other travelers go to the other 4-way, and then same right here. And that's the switch leg that starts the motor. So the power will go through here, go down, the motor will be on, and then we can turn it off or switch any other switches. Right here is the neutral wire that will get the back feed or the power coming from the motor.
Alright, well, you might notice these cleverly placed handles. Well, that's simple, because if you were to touch it when it's polarized, you would have a jerk reaction, and that would not be good for your kids, folks. So, with all this, I just want to say thank you for your time, and I know that we're better than everyone else, so.
Alright, my name is Eli.
My name's Gary.
And in our design, we started by running our hot to our 3-way, and all of the switches in front of it, we ran our travelers to each 4-way, and then down here at the 3-way, we switched leg to where our motor would be. And also back at the beginning, we ran our neutral to where the motor would be. And these black wires represent switches, so we can turn power off and on at any moment's notice.
I'm Jacob Kidd. I'm James. And we have basically the workings of a 3-way hooked up 2 4-ways and another 3-way hooked up to a motor. So in each 3-way we have a thing on a wire on the inside hooked up to switch between each traveler, and so the power can run through whichever one's connecting to between each switch. So it just you can switch and see where the circuit is going depending on which side it's switched to.
I'm Will.I.Am, better known as Dakota among my peers. This is Luis Valero, and we both make up Luis Valero Electrical Company Incorporated. This is the switch, is what I'm calling this. This is V2. Someone broke V1. You see here, we've got a system of 2 3-ways and then 2 4-ways. You'll get your juice from over here, and it'll run through here, and you can control the entire circuit with this switch right here. You want to turn the whole thing off. And there will be a motor over here. It should be there. We'll pretend there's one. And it should run the motor. That's how this thing works.
I'm Trevor Butler. I'm Jackson Walls, and this is our circuit. So we've got a 3-way switch, a 4-way, another 4-way, and then a 3-way running to like a light, a motor, whatever. So we've got our travelers here.
that we have a little connector that goes back and forth, and so our hot's going here, 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 there, there, all the way to our motor or light. And, yeah, this is our circuit.
Alright, so my name's John.
I'm Lillian.
Together we make up Jogans, our patented electrical company. So, we have 4 switches that turn on the power and 1 switch that turns off the power. So we have our hot that comes in here, goes to our commons, which run to the bottom commons of the 4-way, which run to the top commons, and then to the travelers of the other 4-way, travelers of the bottom, out the top travelers, and then to the switch leg. The switch leg runs to the first single pole switch, which gives power to this switch, which can control everything from here on. If this is off, the machine cannot turn on. If this is on, any of these switches can turn on the machine. So the way it works is when you flip this switch, this goes here, power comes through, flip this switch, power cuts off, flip this switch, power goes on, cut this switch, power goes off. If you cut this switch off, none of these switches will send power to there. Power will still be here, so that when you turn this on, it can go, but once you flip this switch, the safety mechanism activates and this can no longer be turned on.
We are Jorvis Electrical Company. We're here to sell this to your kids and electrical learners.
And we present to you the most awesomest, most dopest 2 3-ways
and 2
4-ways ever.
This is so epic. Check this out. You start off with your common. You hook it up to a 3-way. It can switch on or off. Then it goes to this 4-way. Switches either way. A good way to learn the internal system of the 4-way and 3-way. Then it hooks up to this 4-way. You do it again, on and off. It's up to you. Then it goes over here to this 3-way, and it all is for something. It turns on this engine, and this engine will run. It is such a great product for your young kids.
The moral of the story is, best part, even if it doesn't work, your kids can have a great time fixing it.
True.
We are Jorvis.
Bye.